There you have it, live visuals coming in from India's Republic Day celebration, the 69th Republic Day in India. The 26th of January every year marks the day the Indian Constitution came into effect in 1950. The day also marks the foundation of India as a union of states bound and governed by law. Well, this year's parade at the India Gate will also include the presence of ASEAN leaders, including the heads of Thailand, Vietnam, Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Singapore, Myanmar, Cambodia, Laos and Brunei. They'll all be received with Prime Minister Narendra Modi along with the President Ramnath Kovind at India Gate. Now, this is the first time that India, in fact, will host all of the 10 chief guests at the Republic Day parade. Now, during the parade, India also will be showcasing its military might, including several indigenously developed military hardware that will be on display. Amongst them would be the Ashwini radar and the Nirbhay missile designed by the Defense Research and Development Organization. The indigenously developed weapon system integrated the helicopter Rudra will also make its debut at the parade. The Navy will also showcase the indigenous aircraft carrier, the IAC Vikrant, for the motorcycle contingency later on. There's also going to be a contingency of just women personnel of the Border Security Force, the BSF, who will also showcase their skills during the Republic Day festivities. Well, India's rich cultural diversity and heritage will also be on display in the form of dance and other performances. There's going to be an All India Radio will be leading a series of 23 different types of groups during the parade, which will feature Prime Minister Modi's monthly address, Man Ki Baat. We also have 14 others representing different states and union territories, starting with Karnataka's wildlife theme. The other states to take part are Madhya Pradesh, Tripura, Uttarakhand, Jammu and Kashmir, Maharashtra, Lakshadweep, Chhattisgarh, Kerala, Assam, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Manipur, Gujarat. Well, the Gujarat presentation will also have a diorama on various activities of the Sabarmati Ashram, as well as a mural on Gandhiji's departure for the Dandi March. India will also take witness to the participation of more than 700 students across the guest countries at the parade.